Everyone, welcome again to this lesson where we'll be solving this geometry problem before us. And this question is saying that we should find the height of this particular shape. You can see the height here, you can also see it here. The two lengths are the same. Now to find this, you have to make maybe a kind of labeling. Looking at these shapes, you'll find out that the entire length from here up to here is 100. Now, let us label one part x. Supposing this part is x, maybe the length from here up to this length here, supposing it is x, it means that the other side from here will now be 100 minus x. That is what it will be. If one part is x, the other side will be 100 minus x, such that their sum is 100. Now, what if we consider the smaller triangle, this triangle at the left-hand side? Remember, the triangle at the left-hand side has this as the opposite. The side facing the angle is the opposite, while downside is the adjacent. And when you have the opposite adjacent, you use the tan ratio. Therefore, you are free to say tan 60 degrees equal to opposite h over adjacent being what? X, right? So now, what is tan 60 degrees? Tan 60 degrees definitely is just root 3. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. It is a special angle. So you can call it root 3 over 1 equal to h over what? X. When you now cross multiply, you will find out that h is equal to x root 3. You can call this equation 1 and keep it. Now let us go back again to the second triangle. The side facing this angle 30 degrees is the opposite. Y down here is the adjacent. So the opposite is h and the adjacent is 100 minus x. So when you say tan 30 degrees, it should also be equal to opposite h over adjacent, which is 100 minus x. So let's come down here and write tan 30 degrees equal to h over 100 minus x. Let us cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have that h is equal to tan 30 degrees multiplied by 100 minus x. And what is tan 30 degrees? Of course, tan 30 degrees is 1 over root 3 multiplied by 100 minus x. You can still call it that h is equal to 100 minus x all over what? Root 3. You can call this equation 2. Already we have two equations in terms of h. Look at the first one, look at the second one, all in terms of h. So since both of them are h, we can equate both equations. So we are not wrong if we write that 100 minus x over root 3 equal to the first equation, which is what? X root 3 equal to x root 3. You can call this over 1, then cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we'll be having that 100 minus x with times 1, it will still give us 100 minus x. Everything is equal to root 3 times x root 3. Look at it, x root 3 is multiplying root 3. I want you to know that when root 3 multiplies root 3, it is just 3. Because root 3 times root 3 is square root of 9, and square root of 9 is just 3. So we have 100 minus x equal to 3 times x, which is 3x. Solving this, we have 100 equal to 3x plus x. And of course, 3x plus x is 4x. When you divide both sides by 4, you will find out that x equal to 25. X is 25, but we are not looking for x. Our target is to find the height. So without wasting time, we've all known that the height is equal to x root 3. That is x multiplied by root 3. So you can tell us, but h is equal to x multiplied by root 3. And then h becomes x. X is now 25. So it will be 25 root 3. So this is the value of the height that we are looking for. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you. Bye.